Good day, everybody. My name is Tilotini, daughter of Chandran. Today, I'm going to present assignment 2 for topic 3. I'm going to discuss question 1 today. Demand and supply function are given for the good A. Q equal to negative 1 plus 4p and Q equal to 4 minus p power of 2, where the p indicate the price in RM and Q indicate the quantity in unit. Firstly, we are going to identify which function is demand and which function is supply, and also justify the answer. The first function that we are going to look at is Q equal to negative 1 plus 4p. First of all, we have to see the letter P in this equation, which indicate price, and check what sign is given in front of the letter P. The plus sign indicate a positive coefficient for the price. Before answering the question, the main thing that we have to know about demand and supply function is demand function has negative relationship with price and quantity, and supply function has positive relationship with the price and quantity. Seeing at this question, this equation has a positive price coefficient, which explains that this is a supply function where the relationship between price and quantity is same, where the lower the quantity, the lower the price, same as the higher the quantity, the higher the price. Same as the first equation, for this equation, we have to check what is the sign in front of the letter P. We can see that it is a minus sign, which indicate a negative price coefficient. As we have explained before, a negative coefficients indicate negative relationship between price and quantity, where the higher the quantity, the lower the price, as same as the lower the quantity, the higher the price. In this question, we are going to find the equilibrium of price and quantity. But before that, what is market equilibrium? Market equilibrium is when the quantity demanded by us, the consumers, and the quantity supplied by the suppliers is equal, when they both are balanced. So, at this point of the equilibrium, there will be no excess supply or excess demand, because both of the amount going to be the same. So, using the functions given, we should make it as supply function equal to demand function, where it will be negative 1 plus 4p equals to 4 minus p power of 2, where we will get the answer where p equals to 1 and p equal to negative 5. Now we have to reject the negative 5, because as we have discussed, p is price and price cannot be in negative form. Using the amount we get from the p just now, which is 1, we should find the quantity, where we will get 3. So now we know that the equilibrium price is RM1 and the quantity is 3 units. So when the price is RM1, the quantity will be 3 units. The last question is, we have to draw a graph. But before drawing a graph, we have to find all the numbers that we are going to use to draw the graph. For the first equation, we should find the shape of the graph based on the value a. Now we know that q equal to negative 1 plus 4p is a linear equation. Now we have to find the value a from this equation, where it is 4. 4 is more than 0. It means this graph is going to be at upward sloping as a positive graph. To draw a graph, we should determine the variables that we are going to plot at y and x-axis. Firstly, to find y-intercept, we should make the p equal to 0, where we will get q equal to -1. Discriminant is not applicable for linear equation. Nextly, we should find x-intercept using q equals to 0, where we will get the answer p equal to 1/4 and p equal to 0.25. Two of this point, which is q equal to -1 and p equal to 0.25, we will plot it at the graph later. Q equal to 4 minus p power of 2 is a quadratic equation. For us to determine the shape of the graph, we should find the value of a, which we can see it is -1. When a is less than 0, which is negative, it is a parabola opens downward graph with a maximum vertex. Same as the linear equation, firstly, we have to find the y-intercept when p equal to 0, where we get q equals to 4. As this is a quadratic equation, we should find the discriminant for us to identify how many solutions going to be in this graph. The formula for discriminant is b power of 2 minus 4ac. Using the formula and equation, we get the answer 16. We should know that when the discriminant is positive, there will be two real solutions for x. When the discriminant is 0, there will be one real solution for x, and when it is negative, there will be no real solution. According to this question, 16 is positive, so there will be two real solutions. Next, we are going to find the x-intercept. If the discriminant is positive or 0, then we proceed to find x-intercept. We get the answer p equal to 2 and p equals to -2. For the vertex, we know that it is maximum as we identify from the a less than 0 just now. Using the formula -b/2a and f -b/2a, we get the answer 0 and 4 for maximum vertex. Now, for us to draw the graph, q will be in y-axis and p will be in x-axis. First, we should draw the supply function, which is q equals to -1 plus 4p. As it is a linear equation, there will be two intercepts, which is for y -1 and for x 0.25. Next, for the quadratic function, as it is a quadratic function as with a positive discriminant, there will be three intercepts, which is for y-axis 4, for x-axis -2 and 2. After drawing two of this graph, we can identify the market equilibrium, which is 3 for quantity and RM1 for price.